unboxing the DJI Mini 2. I've been following this drone online for quite some time, and it's been my dream to get it to enhance my YouTube videos, to give you guys aerial shots of my surrounding. And luckily enough, I've been able to get one. So I'll take you through unboxing. We get to know what is inside. And oh, this is the Fly More combo. So we get a lot of goodies in. So stick around and let's see what's in this. I have my knife here, so let's go on and tear off the rubber so we get to see what's in this package. Okay, we have our box without the rubber, so let's open it. Ooh. That fresh smell of something new. This is our baby in its package. So this is the Fly More combo, as I said earlier. So it contains the carry case. Let's open it and see what we have. Whoa. Okay, awesome. So first things first, this is the controller right here. The aircraft itself, the Mini 2. This houses the charger, the cables for connecting from your controller to your phone. This is the Type-C USB for charging either the controller or charging the batteries or the aircraft. And this is the 3-way charging hub. Aside that, there's nothing else in this. And this, I believe, is the manual, which we never read. Of course, there are videos you can watch on YouTube to learn more. So manual these days, we don't read them. Okay, so there's a zip up here. Oh, lots of goodies in here. So let's take a look at what we have here. These are the joystick or thumbstick, however you may refer to them, spare ones. Then 3 extra propellers. And a screwdriver for tightening or loosening your propellers. Now, these are the things you get with the Fly More. If you buy just the standard package, you don't get the 3-way charging hub. And inside this, we can open it straight up from here. Inside the charging hub, we have 2 extra batteries. You only get these with the Fly More option. So let's put these back in here. And don't forget, you would have to charge the batteries because they all come, most of them, about 90% come with dead batteries. Like in this case, all the 2 spare batteries are dead. And I'm positive that the battery in the aircraft is also dead. So you have to charge them for a while before using them. For the controller, mostly, yes, we have some juice in there. So once you press this once, see, the controller is blinking, which means there is some juice in there. Now let's take this box off and then see what we have one by one. So we have the controller. This is what you connect your phone to up here and then control your aircraft. These are the cables for connecting the various phones. There is iPhone, there is the iPhone cable, and then there is the Type-C and the normal Android cable. You have your USB cable, the Type-C cable for charging, and this is the charger. So you connect this to this and then either connect it to the back of the aircraft to charge the battery inside the aircraft, or it connects to the three-way charging hub, or this same one connects to the controller and charges it. This is the three-way hub. Now with this, you connect all the batteries in, plug it, and that's it. You don't have to worry about charging the battery one after the other. It will charge one after the other. Just note, it doesn't charge all three batteries at once. It charges one. Once it's done, it moves to the next one. So the advantage of this is that you don't have to charge one battery after the other manually in the aircraft. So now there is always one battery inside the aircraft. First time I got it, I thought, whoa, where's the third battery? Then when I opened it here, I realized the battery was in here. And also this acts as a power bank. So you can, there's an outlet here, a power outlet here that you can connect to your phone or the controller, any other device. You can charge other devices using this. But take note that it's taking juice from the batteries inside the hub. And this is, I think this is leather. It's a leather carrying case. I think it's water resistant or waterproof. Which one? As in, you can pour water on it, and I think up to a certain degree, and the water won't touch your gear inside. This is very good if you want to remain portable, like, you know, you just sling it around you and move around. It's padded. It's somehow padded, not much, but it's a bit padded, so you can be sure that your aircraft will be safe in there. Now this is the aircraft. Lovely aircraft. So it has this thing that holds the propellers together. So if you take it off, this is what you see. And we'll go ahead and take off all these protective things around the aircraft. So the first one releases the propellers. So let's flip. This is our DJI Mini 2 4K drone. I'll go ahead and charge all these batteries and take it for a flight. I'll try and record that also, so I share with you guys. Now there is one more thing. If you're flying this in Ghana, first thing you need to know is you have to register it. You have to go to Ghana Civil Aviation Authority and register it. Now elsewhere, because it's 249 grams, you don't need to register it for recreational purposes. But in Ghana, every drone has to be registered. No, not has. Every drone must be registered. I'll go through the registration process and I'll try and capture it so I can share with you guys the process. Whether it's difficult or easy, I'll let you guys know. And I'll be doing some content on how to fly this guy, how to get the best out of it. So if this is of interest to you, consider subscribing and hit the bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching. See ya in the next video.